Hello everyone, my name is Raul and today I'm going to show you how you can set up your Finance District Agent wallet in just under 2 minutes. To give everybody a bit of context, at Finance District we're building the infrastructure for the next generation of agent payments, and one of those key components is Agent Wallet. If you're interested to learn more about Finance District and our ecosystem, I highly recommend that you come check out our website at fd.xyz, but we're going to focus on how you can set up your agent wallet. So to get started, you can sign up or log in. They both lead to the same place. You can either click on Launch App or Get Started. For this example, we'll just click on Get Started. And here, exactly what I was just saying, you can either sign in. For this example, we'll be creating an account. So we'll click on No Account, Create One. Here, you will be requested to input your email, and you will be sent a one-time password. I'll give you guys a few moments so you can do that. And as you can see, as easy as that, you've successfully created your Finance District Agent wallet. With this newly created wallet, actually, there were 4 wallets that were issued. One was for EVM blockchains, then there was another address for Solana, another for Bitcoin blockchain, and one final for SUI. But let's just check out what those were. You can just click on the AI assistant. And let's click on this second prompt. This one that get me my wallet address so I can add funds to it. As you can see, the UI is very similar to most popular LLMs. I don't know, for example, Claude or ChatGPT. You just input your prompt via text and it'll give you the answer. Okay, here we go. As we can see, here's the EVM wallet address. You also have a Solana, a Bitcoin, and a SUI. I'm going to show you how you can add funds to your Finance District Agent wallet. For this tutorial, I'm going to assume that you already hold some crypto, whether, I don't know, you already have it in your self-custody wallet or on a centralized exchange. But if you don't, I actually just created the new wallet and I topped it up with my credit card, and it took me like 10 minutes. So it's pretty straightforward, pretty smooth. And if you do have any questions, I suggest you use the built-in AI assistant, and you can ask it any questions and it can walk you through the process. But yeah, let's get to the video. Head on over to the AI assistant I was just talking about. And let's click on this second prompt, the one that reads, get me my wallet address so I can add funds to it. You can also just type in the space below and ask it anything you want or perform any of the actions you want with your agent wallet. For this video, we're going to be depositing 20 USDC on BNB chain. There we go. We have all of our 4 wallet addresses. We just need the EVM one, the one for BSC chain. And I'm going to open my MetaMask. As you can see, I already hold USDC and some BNB for gas. It will be the same case for your agent wallet. You will, like, whichever blockchain you decide to use it on, you will not only need to transfer the assets you want to operate with, but you will also need to deposit the gas token for each respective blockchain. For example, if you're going to be using Ethereum, make sure you deposit some ETH. In my case, I've already funded it with some BNB. So yeah, let's click on send. We're going to be sending USD coin. I'm going to paste my agent wallet address. The amount is 20 and click continue. Just going to quickly confirm everything looks correctly. 20 USDC from my MetaMask to my agent wallet, network BNB. Network fee and speed looks all good. I'm just going to confirm. I can see the transaction submitted and confirmed on the bottom right corner. And let me just check. What is my new balance. And did you receive a 20 USDC deposit on BSC now? There we go. BSC for your agent wallet, my current balance is 60. And yes, I do see a 20 USDC incoming deposit. And it even gave us the transaction hash. So if we wanted to check the details on chain, we can just copy this and head on over to bscscan.com, the block explorer for BNB chain, and just check the details. But yeah, as you can see, we just topped up our Finance District agent wallet. It's pretty straightforward, especially if you're already familiar with crypto. I'm going to show you how you can add Finance District agent wallet to both Claude and Claude Code. To begin with, head on over to developers.fd.xyz. This is our developer documentation where you can find lots of useful information on all the different products that make up Finance District. But yeah, for this tutorial, let's head on over to Agent Wallet. And if you scroll a bit further down, here you'll find, for example, that it says 4 interfaces, 1 wallet. So you'll find the different ways that you can connect your agent wallet. Let's begin with by clicking on this first one, MCP server. There we go. And we're going to need to copy this link, the MCP server URL, and then you can head on over to Claude desktop app and click on customize connectors, and then search and click on add custom connector. I'm going to name this connector Finance District Agent Wallet. And I'm going to paste the MCP server URL that I had copied from before. And then just click on add. Click on connect. You'll see that your web browser will be opened. And you'll be required to choose which account you want to log in, which your Finance District account. I'm going to click on this one, my account. And then just click Open Claude. And there we go, connected to Finance District Agent Wallet. As easy as that. But let's just double check that everything is working correctly. You can just open a new chat on Claude. And I'm going to give it a few here. For example, it says verify the connection. So I'm going to copy these 2 prompts one by one and send them to Claude. The first one reads, what Finance District tools do you have? And here I have access to Finance District Agent Wallet MCP server. And for example, it can read the balance of my wallet. It can do transfers using X402 payments. It can also do swaps. It can also discover yields on the different blockchains, DeFi yields, and it can even deposit for those yields. So yeah, okay, that one we know it's been successful, but let's also run this prompt just to make sure that everything is working correctly. This one reads, what's my wallet balance? Your agent wallet holds funds only on BNB Smart Chain right now, 85 USDC and 0.004 BNB for gas. Yep, this is in line with what we actually did on the previous video where we funded our agent wallet. So all good. And yep, that's pretty much if you want to set up agent wallet using on Claude desktop using the MCP connection. But for the next part of the video, we're gonna now show you, for example, how you can connect via CLI. So for that example, I'm gonna use Visual Studio Code. Here I just have it right open. And then you can head on over to the home page of the developer's documentation. Same path, click on Agent Wallet. And here. Now we're going to click on CLI. And if we scroll a bit further down, there's a quick start section. And you can see it has all the command lines that you'll need to set it up. I'm going to go ahead and copy this first one and run it on Visual Studio Code. Yes. You can register from scratch via this method, and you can also, like in my case, you can log in with via email, for example. So yeah, installed successfully. And I'm gonna go ahead and copy. And now I'll just need to, I'm gonna change this for my actual email, but I'm gonna edit this out, and I'll be right back just as soon as I finish logging in. Okay, welcome back. I've successfully authenticated. And now let's continue with the video. For example, let's just double check that everything went correctly, and I'm gonna go ahead and copy this first line. This one reads wallet, get wallet overview, chain key. This one says Ethereum. I know that I don't hold any funds in Ethereum, so I'm gonna go ahead and yeah, change it to BSC, BNB Smart Chain. Click on yes. Here's your wallet overview on BSC. That's my EVM wallet address. This is the BNB I hold for gas, and the 85 USDC, which we funded on the previous video. And yep, that's pretty much it. As you can see, you only need to run a few lines of code and copy and paste and follow a couple of steps in order to set up your agent wallet, whether it is on Claude Code or just on Claude Desktop. And it's pretty straightforward. So yeah, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out and we'll be happy to help you. But if not, thank you very much for joining, and looking forward to seeing you on the next video.